We'll resume in 30 minutes, and you must be out of this house.
Her name, just like the name of her master, Mr. Museveni, will be permanently written on the wall of shame in the Uganda Parliament and in all the Ugandan history. What she did yesterday is no longer changeable. And this is not because she suspended members that were protesting. This is because she sided with injustice in a manner that led to the desecration of the most important institution in the country. Parliament is the most important institution of state.